Okay, we're up in Rancho Palos Verdes. We're gonna ride Del Cerro. If you see all these cars, that means it's gonna be pretty busy here. There's street parking all the way down Crenshaw. So if you get here and these spots are taken, then you can find a spot on Crenshaw. There's an entrance for Rattlesnake right here. It's probably one of the more fun enduro style trails here, but generally speaking everything here is really mellow. Flow trails and whatnot. So there's a couple different entrances. You have the entrance at the main gate here. It's like a keypad gate that opens at certain hours. You have Rattlesnake there where there's no keypad, and then down at Portuguese Bend. Here's Del Cerro Park, but parking there is by permit only. So if you're like a local, you can get a permit. Otherwise, you just park on the street. So this is Burma Fire Road, which takes you all the way through the whole trail system here. I'm going to show you a little, here's the ocean there. Show you a little extra credit. So you don't have to do this, but instead of taking the fire road, got this little rock garden here. So a fun way to start. And then there are some drops here that you can take, like this one. So just a fun way to start the trail. Or if you wanted to try a few rollers, there's one right there too. Anyways, you can take the fire road down, or you can start with this little rock garden. A lot of hikers here, so you want to have a bell. Kind of annoying, but keeps you safe, keeps the rider safe, or the hiker safe, I mean. Lets you know you're coming. But inevitably, you still want to not take it too fast. So obviously the fire road nice and wide. This little one off to the right here is optional. It's fun, but again, it's narrow, so if you're if you don't have a bell, just be really conscious if there's hikers. Like I have a hiker coming up here. Thank you. But he heard my bell, so we moved. Cars, dude. It's a porta potty right there, and this is the entrance to Ishibahn. So apparently this is actually Ishibashi, and I've been calling it Ishibahn this whole time, so throughout the video I'll call it Ishibahn. This is the Ishibahn Trail. Starts with some kind of almost flat corners. It's a little bit of a berm to them, but I'm kind of a weenie when it comes to turning fast. This is like a fun flow trail, good for beginners. Again, this is Ishibahn.
Ishibashi.
Year round it's not green, just green right now because of the rain, but year round it's pretty brown here. So this is just like a fun flow section. We'll pass hikers coming up and down, so just be conscious of that. Thank you. On the weekends, it's so busy, almost feels like Disneyland, so I don't actually ever come here on a weekend unless it's like right at sunrise. It's just not worth it. Thank you. These systems are maintained by the city, and they do a really good job. You can tell they put some maintenance into it. So this is the only rough section of the trail. A little bit of a jump here. And that's Ishibahn.
Ishibashi.
So you can continue down Burma Fire Road, or go back up for another lap, or hit up one of the other trails like Rattlesnake or Eagle's Nest.
So this is Portuguese Bend Reserve. The three main trails over here that I like are Rattlesnake, Eagle Nest, and Ishibahn. A fun little loop is to come down Rattlesnake, come across Canyon Trail, and then you go up Burma Fire Road, down Eagle's Nest, back up Burma Fire Road, and down Ishibahn. This app is Trail Forks. Another good app is MTB Project, and both of those apps are free.